This is our first tutorial here from hallpasswatches.com. Today we are going to learn how to use the VIT. In this specific video we will learn how to use the Android version of the VIT. This is not going to be a very well produced video. This is probably going to be one of our most serious videos. Let's call it like that. So let's go ahead. Today I'm going to do a simple sprint intervals in the park, and I am going to call it sprint intervals. Let's say Wednesday, the 26th. Okay, let's just call it like that. We're going to add a modality, and let's just call it run. Do it for 2 minutes. Add, and we will add another modality, and we can call it walk. I'm going to do that for 30 seconds. So we have our first round, which is 2-minute run, 30-second walk. We could change this up however we want. We can use it decreasing, increasing. We can make a pyramid. We can do it however we want. We can make it totally random even. But this time I want to run 9 rounds of the same. So I'm going to duplicate that. Let's duplicate that. We already have 1, 2, 3, 4 rounds. And let's duplicate all that. Oh, yes. And then we're gonna need a final round at the end. We can change it up. Okay, so we can even edit. We can call this run 1. Edit. You can call it let's call this run 2. Okay, we're not gonna go in all the ones, so we don't want the video to be that long, but let's do a dynamic workout, dynamic warm-up in the beginning. Okay, let's make sure we warm up for 5 minutes. Okay, this is going to come out at the end. What we're going to do is we're going to keep it pressed, and then we're going to select it all the way up. Make sure we warm up well. I could have done this in the beginning, but I forgot, which is something that usually happens. Okay, there's a dynamic warm up in the beginning. I'm going to run 2 minutes, run 1, walk, run 2, walk, run 3, walk. And at the end, if you'd like, just to make sure we don't forget, we can even do a stretch session. And let's do that for 3 minutes. Or even if you want it, you can even program 30 seconds of hamstring stretch, 30 seconds of, hip circles, and, however we want. The idea is that the app gives you all the intervals in whatever style you want, and once you're ready with the workout for today, it's already here. Sprint intervals Wednesday 26. We will sync it. It says no wearable found, but that's a little bug that will be fixed. And when you go to the watch, VIT, we already have sprint intervals. Sprint intervals in the watch. Okay? You choose it, and the first is a dynamic warm-up. There's a 5 minutes, and what's coming up next is a 2 minutes for run 1. In the Android Wear version, it is set to vibrate in 3, 2, 1, and longer vibrate. So it goes zzz, 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 zzz. Okay, hope you enjoyed that impression. We will have a lot more tutorials. This is just a basic sprint interval. scenario, walk run, but we can also do a lot of different varieties that we will definitely do in further videos. So I hope you enjoyed this unique feature of this unique app. It's gonna allow you independence, efficiency, empowerment, lifestyle, and purpose. So make sure you go to www.hallpasswatches.com. Just like that, it's a hall pass. You are given a pass to roam around. The world becomes your gym. So go to hallpasswatches.com, sign up for the newsletter, and we will let you know as soon as this Android Wear version is available and as soon as the iWatch version is available.